Ugh, I love hydration. Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. So with summertime here, we are all about hydration. If you know me, you know I'm all about hydration, but some of our favorite beverages are not just for drinking anymore. They are packing some serious punch in the beauty aisle. So we have to take a look today at some of the products that our skin just can't wait to drink up. So first off, we have this BKR Water Balm. You may know BKR for their water bottles, which I have used for years and love, but they are releasing beauty products. Yes, beauty products, I'm so excited. So their first launch is this glossy balm made from clean ingredients. This is a really pretty gloss and it's packed with essential biolipids that help to soften and plump and prevent moisture loss in your lips. It's a really pretty formula and it has a peppery French rose scent. It's very luxurious and you can see how glossy it is. It's super duper pretty on the lips and just is gonna give you so much hydration. And the cherry on top, this is the part that I'm so excited about, is that you can actually pop it into your BKR water bottle and just take it with you on the go when you have your hydration, you have your lip balm, and you'll be good to go this summer. Next up, we have the INNISFREE Intensive Hydrating Serum. This one has jeju green tea extract and also green tea seed oil that help to maintain the skin's balance and just retain moisture and make sure you don't have too much moisture loss. It also is packed with amino acids and minerals to really get your skin glowing this summer. And this I would probably apply right after cleansing to get the most absorption and optimal moisture. Next up, we have the CALLYSSEE Caffeine Nourishing Sheet Mask. This one is packed with caffeine and other nutrients that are just gonna get your skin glowing this summer. So this has argan kernel oil, soybean seed oil. It also has coffee seed extract in there, and that's where the caffeine comes in. That's really gonna give you that beautiful flush and encourage cell renewal and also soothing the skin. It also has ginseng in it that actually really helps to give that flush to the face. So, you know, I'm gonna be using this a lot. Who doesn't love a sheet mask in the summertime, am I right? And then we have a mascara here. This is the EYEKO Lash Alert Mascara, also infused with caffeine, which really helps to give that kind of awakened look and just stimulate the eyes. And it has a double dose of fibers in here to really lift the lashes up. And this one will actually improve elasticity over time, which I thought was cool because you're working to have thicker lashes and naturally fuller lashes, you know what I mean? And it also has a great formula because it has shea butter in it to work to nourish. It has biotin in here to work to thicken. So that's what I was talking about. We're talking longevity here, you know, we're really working to thicken lashes over time. And it does have a full contact helix brush in here that's gonna help to curl and voluminize the lashes as well. And it has a carbon black finish, so super volumized, dark mascara. We love it. Next up, we have the Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. This stuff is amazing. I've had it in my glam bag before and I fell in love with it. So it really helps to exfoliate and polish and hydrate the skin all at the same time. And it also does have coffee in there that really packs it with antioxidants and it just reinvigorates the skin. And another little benefit of it is that it actually works to reduce the appearance of cellulite. So again, perfect for the summertime. And today we're gonna be giving away some of these amazing products. So all you have to do is comment below your favorite drink emojis and you'll be entered to win. I'm Roxette Arisa and thanks for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY.